Welcome to day 30 of the World of Sound 30-Day Challenge. Well done. Please close your eyes and take a deep breath. What do you hear? Let's take another deep breath. Now, listen closely. This was a segment of a musical composition I wrote that incorporates ocean soundscapes and is based on my scientific paper about fish sounds at night. The title of the song is Night Fish. We hope you enjoyed the 30-day challenge from World of Sound and that you have gained new listening skills that you can continue to use every day. We'd love your feedback, so please get in touch and let us know what you thought of the experience. Stay tuned.